hearing this pressure, Eze comes in, and do you feel that? I mean, does that make you play even better? You seem to embrace that tonight, that kind of pressure of, okay, you watch me now, look what I can do.
Yeah, I mean, I think everyone can see the quality and the depth, in the squad now, and we have so much quality and so many players who can play. So I think it's just a feeling, from every single player. Whenever you're on the pitch, you want to prove that you deserve it, and you want to keep your spot. So I think that's.
You want to keep your spot. Very, very important for inside Odegaard head. Gets just like the question we they ask and show them abilities, because now the fact now the narrative now say now the arrival of abilities they make us see the best of Odegaard again, because Odegaard is no longer a secret coward ass now. Gets I don't already explain and the other day tell you those players who I know say they're very, very important. Them say if they go, the person who go come in will still give you that level. It's Magales, Raya, those three. Apart from that three, any other person is fair game. They get decent, like good replacements. That way it just be.
That's good for us, that competitiveness and the competition within the squad. So yeah, that's good.